we as global society, that's we are looking your opinion, we as global society work to improve the deteriorating climate conditions?
To do something to change this situation, and in my opinion the first thing to do is of course to reduce the emissions, to limit the global warming and to mitigate the impacts. It's also important to restore the forest and to protect them, to mitigate the pollution, but also to reduce the presence of CO2 into the atmosphere. It's important to transition also to sustainable agricultural practices and to reduce the chemical use, to reduce the impacts, but also for our health. It's important to shift to electric vehicles and to invest in sustainable transport infrastructure to reduce our emissions. It's also important to transition to renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, or hydropower. And it's important to improve the energy efficiency and to support nuclear energy and clean technologies. We have to improve also the waste segregation and to improve the recycling rates and to reduce the overall waste generation. It's also important to promote energy efficient building and green spaces because, as I said before, the population is rising pretty quickly. So it is important to do it also in a short time because it's a problem and it would become an important problem in next years. So we have to reduce the carbon footprint of cities and we have to mitigate the climate change. We need also to enhance the climate resilience and improve the disaster preparedness. And it is also important to improve the coastal protection because we need to protect coral reef. They have a lot of ecosystem services that are really important for our health. And we need to restore also natural buffers such as mangroves and also wetlands. To solve the problem of ocean warming and acidification is really important to reduce the CO2 emissions, and we need to protect marine ecosystems to preserve the ocean health, but also our health. So we need also to better the water management and we need to improve the desalination technologies. And in conclusion, I can say that we need to take climate action right now and we need to also strengthen the healthcare system.